It is yet another day at Febby's tutorials, and we should have Mr. Febby walking in at any moment now.
Hello friends, how are you? We will learn something new and exciting today. Let's grow wings and soar the skies. Get your pencils and books ready. Hope you all are keen and ready to learn how we multiply fractions. You ready? Perfect, but before we begin, do you guys remember the different types of fractions and how to add or subtract them? If you do not, I will leave a link in the description. You can find all our videos on youtube.com/@Mr. I want you to focus on what we are about to do. Let's have a look at how we can multiply fractions. Here are two fractions, 2/7 and 3/4. And here is another set of fractions, 4/9 and 2/4, which we will use to learn multiplication. When we multiply fractions, we simply multiply the denominators together and the numerators together. So, our answer for the first set of fractions is going to be 6/28 or 6/28, and the second one will be 8/36. That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now, let's pause the video and give these a try. For the first one, I will multiply the numerators first. 2 and 4 should give me 8, and once we multiply the denominators, it should give me 21. So, our answer is 8/21. For the second one, we multiply the numerators again, which will give us 6, and then we multiply the denominators with each other will give us 54. So, our answer is 6/54. For the third one, we will multiply all the numerators together. So, 4 times 2 is 8, and then 8 times 6 will give us 48. When we multiply the denominators, we get 10 times 4, which is 40, and then 40 times 7, which gives us 280. Therefore, our answer is 48/280. I hope you got the concept. Brilliant. Now, is it time to learn how to multiply mixed fractions? I know that a lot of our friends run away at the thought of this as they feel it is really hard. But believe me when I say, oh, it is as easy as A, B, C. Look at the mixed fraction over there. We need to first learn how to change that into an improper fraction. We will follow the direction given by the green arrow. We will first multiply the denominator by the whole number. The whole number is the one given in white. When we do that, we get 3 times 6 is equal to 18. Then add the numerator to 18, which will give us 22. So, 22 will be our numerator and 6 will remain as our denominator. Here is one more. We will follow the direction given by the green arrow again. We will first multiply the denominator by the whole number. So, 5 times 8 is equal to 40, and then add the numerator to it, which will give us 43. So, 43 will be our numerator and 8 will remain as our denominator. Now, pause the video and give these a try. I'm going to have a coffee by then. The answer to the first one is 33/8. How do I get this? I multiply 8 and 4, which gives me 32, and then add the numerator 1 to it. This makes the numerator 33 and the denominator remains the same. If we follow the same method for the second question, we get the answer as 72/10. For the third one, we get 94/9. And for the last one, we get 24/7. I hope you got all of them correct. The next important concept is to learn how to convert or change an improper fraction into mixed fraction. For this, we need to divide. We use the bus stop method to do this. Remember, the numerator always goes inside the bus stop and the denominator is always outside. We say it as 44 divided by 10. We know that 44 does not go into the tens times tables, but 40 does. We write the 40 below 44. 40 goes into the tens times tables by 4. We write 4 on the top. This is shown in white. We then take away 40 from 44, which gives us 4. shown at the bottom in purple, as our remainder. Once we have got to this stage, it is time for us to write the mixed fraction. We write the number on the top to the left. This is our whole number. We then write the remainder as our numerator and keep our denominator the same. In this case, it is 4/4. Here's another example. 36 divided by 7. Remember, we use the bus stop method to do this. Remember, the numerator always goes inside the bus stop and the denominator is always outside. We know that 36 does not go into 7's times tables, but 35 does. We write the 35 below 36. 35 goes into 7's times tables and 5. We write 5 on the top. This is shown in white. We then take away 35 from 36, which gives us 1, shown at the bottom in purple, as our remainder. Once we have got to this stage, it is time for us to write the mixed fraction. We write the number on the top to the left. This is our whole number. We then write the remainder as our numerator and keep our denominator the same. In this case, it is 5/1/7. Here's another one. We know that 42 does not go into 11's times tables, but 33 does. We write the 33 below 42. 33 goes into 11's times tables and 3. We write 3 on the top. This is shown in white. We then take away 33 from 42, which gives us 9, shown at the bottom in purple, as our remainder. Once we have got to this stage, it is time for us to write the mixed fraction. We write the number on the top to the left. This is our whole number. We then write the remainder as our numerator and keep our denominator the same. In this case, it is 3/9/11. Hope you understand it now. Now, let's try doing multiplication of mixed fractions. In order to do that, we need to firstly convert all mixed fractions into improper fractions. In this case, the first fraction will become 8/3 and the second one will become 6/5. We would then multiply the numerators to get 48 and then the denominators to get 15. Once we are at this stage, it is time to divide the improper fraction and convert them back into mixed fractions. For this, we use the bus stop method again. 48 does not go in 15, but 45 does, and it does in 3. When we subtract 45 from 48, we get 3 as the remainder. This will now give us the mixed fraction 3/3/15. Pause the video and try this yourselves. We have left hints so that it becomes easy for you. If you're done, check if this is what you did. If you got it right, good job, move forward. If you didn't, rewind the video and try it again. We have slowed the video down so that you can check one step at a time. Here is another one for you to try. Check if you have followed all steps properly. We have not talked you through it. Let's see if you got it yourselves. Good job, everyone. Keep practicing and you will become pros at it. We will be back soon with yet another video to help you. Meanwhile, if you would consider subscribing to us and hit the notification bell, it would be a great encouragement. Until next time, adios.